How much does it cost to fix a bleeding phone screen?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss a problem that many of us encounter at some point, a cracked or bleeding phone screen. We'll take a look at how much it costs to get your phone screen repaired and factors that might affect this cost. Understanding these costs can help you make an informed decision about whether to repair or replace your phone.
What does it mean to have a bleeding phone screen?
Firstly, let's discuss what a bleeding phone screen means. It's a term often used to describe a phone screen that shows blots of color or dark spots, typically following a physical impact. This happens when the liquid crystal display, LCD, under the glass leaks, causing a disruption in the display.
What are the factors that influence the cost of repair?
The cost of repairing a cracked or bleeding phone screen can vary greatly, and it usually depends on several factors. Type of phone. Different phone models have different screen replacement costs. For example, the cost of replacing an iPhone screen will be different from that of a Samsung or Google Pixel. Age of the phone. Newer models may have more expensive components. So, replacing a screen on a newer model might be pricier than an older model. Extent of the damage. If the damage is severe, affecting not just the screen but other components, the cost of repair could go up.
How much does it generally cost to fix a bleeding phone screen?
Now to the part you've been waiting for. So how much does it generally cost to fix a bleeding phone screen? On average, you might be looking at between $100 to $300. But remember, this can go higher or lower depending on the factors we just discussed.
Is it worth it to repair?
After finding out how much it could cost to repair your cracked or bleeding phone screen, you might be asking, is it worth it to repair? It depends. If your phone is newer and still has plenty of useful life left, it could be worth getting the screen replaced. But, if your phone is older, or if the cost of repair is close to the cost of a new phone, it might be more cost-effective to replace it altogether. To wrap up, repairing a bleeding phone screen can range from around $100 to $300 or even more, depending on various factors. Always weigh the cost of the repair against the cost and benefits of getting a new phone. We hope this discussion has been helpful in guiding your decision on how to deal with a cracked or bleeding phone screen. Stay connected, and remember, protect your screens.